Welcome to Travel Writers Lab. You gotta love that inspirational music. So for a lot of us, travel often feels like this, or at least we hope it feels like this. And travel writing, well, we want it to be its own Instagrammable moment. But for most of us, let's face it, it feels more like this. That's where we come into play. Our 4-week travel writing class will help you with all of this. It's for journalists, novelists, destination marketers, or just anybody who loves travel. And we'll tell you not just what to write about, but we'll help you discover how to write about the topics you care about. You'll leave with the confidence, know-how, and drive to start publishing for real audiences. 4 weeks, 1.5 hours with the group, 30 minutes one-on-one with me. All of this culminates in a 2,000-word writing experiment. So you can Google me to find out more about who I am, but hey, I literally wrote a book about travel journalism. There's 8 spots available, so sign up immediately. It all starts on May 27th, this summer. So start experimenting, because you know what? Soon we'll all be traveling again. So register right now. See what I did there? See you soon.